Hi guys, VST Valentine Tech. Welcome to this video. In this special video, I'm going to test the haptics, which is actually a very fancy word for the vibration. In case you're not aware, when your phone vibrates in your hand, this is due to the fact there is a motor inside, right? And yeah, physics and science. But in the end of the day, this motor rotates so quick and fast, and you can feel these nice vibrations and feedbacks, haptics in your hand, call it whatever you want it. But I have here the S22 Ultra running the latest One UI 4.1 Exynos version 2200 and the S21 Ultra, very nicely sponsored and provided by my dear friend System Hack. So please check out his channel, guys. He gave me his Ultra so I can do this test for you. And I'm trying to do the best I can, guys. So I'm using my digital recorder. I'm recording PCM 48 kilohertz waves. So I'm just trying to get like the best possible sound and just show you my findings. What are we looking right now? We are in the sound and vibration menu from both phones. Okay, I just wanted to share first some things, and then I'm going to use these things to record and also try to measure the output. But okay, this is going to be more or less a suggestive test. I'm just going to hold the phones in the hand and just tell you guys what I think honestly. So now, first things first, let's go into call vibration. So call vibration, and there is something that I wanted to share, guys. This is why I'm starting with this. Here we have the option on the One UI 4.1 running on the S22 Ultra to sync the haptics or the vibration with the ringtone. Okay, see, right now I'm using the Galaxy ringtone and I can sync this with the ringtone. Okay, this is quite fancy. And by the way, let me just go one more time. This option is not present here. Another finding that I made, let's say if we just go here to basic call, oh my god, see, that's like a tractor here. Let me just try to go basic call here. Okay, so do you notice, guys, when you choose something here, right, it will keep playing. Okay, heartbeat here on the S22 Ultra. Okay, let's do heartbeat here as well. It only plays once. Now we cannot stop it. So in order to stop it, let's just go outside, go on again. And guys, probably already paid attention, it seems that the vibration that is used here on the S21 Ultra is really very harsh, very hard, and it does feel like a tractor. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just play some vibration patterns and try to measure them with my Olympus indicator, which is actually not a very good test, but that's the best that I have. So you can just see here we have the left and the right channel. Okay, so I'm just going to measure this, and then I'm going to hold the phones in my hand and tell you my honest opinion, and then I'm going to enter a secret menu and show you how to enter itself and just test it from there itself, just to make sure that we are using the maximum vibration intensity. Okay, so let's just start with the S21 Ultra. Let's just go with the basic call. It is insane, and you can just hear it also from the audio. That's why I'm recording with my microphone. It is really very, very loud and etc. Let's just do the same here on the S22 Ultra. Okay, but guys, don't get yourself fooled, and I'll let you know why. Let's just do now heartbeat. So let me just stop this one. Let's go and do the heartbeat test. Okay, for some reason on the One UI 4 it just stopped, so I need to press it again. See, it almost goes to here, like it almost really so strong as my voice. Okay, let me now do the same with the S22 Ultra. If someone looks at this as a standalone case, you can just easily get fooled and just think, hey, this is really crazy, the S21 Ultra is just killing the S22 Ultra. The reality though is a bit different. Remember, they just have a different design, very different design. And this is here actually the biggest difference, right? The camera bump here has this metal plate, right? And I just have a feeling that this kind of managed to translate most of the vibration intensity throughout the other surfaces. Here, it's not the same. But there is something else. Let me show you. See? If I'm holding the Ultra like this, the Ultra is also able to convey sound like this. The biggest difference that I was able to find so far is that the S22 Ultra motor is here, okay? And let me just share why this matters. I will now enter the testing menu. So how does this work? Okay, boom, here it is. So star dash 0 star dash, here we are. All right, and from here, guys, we can trigger non-stop vibration, so it's a bit easier to test it. So let me just show you. Right now my S22 Ultra will vibrate non-stop. See? Okay, and this is the readings that we have. Okay, now let's do the same with the S21 Ultra. Okay, I think you can just see the readings, and why I was telling you there is a difference. The motor from the S21 Ultra feels here. See? Okay, it's a very strong motor, guys, but it is here. And you know, when you're holding the phone like this, you usually have it in your hand like this, right? So the vibration is very strong from this part. Now let me just do the same test with the S22 Ultra. Okay, again vibration. So let me just show you. Now I have the phone, guys, and what do I notice? See here. Almost no vibration here, guys. They changed the place of the motor, which I think right now it's here, or at least I feel it coming from this place. And that's the bigger difference, right? The S22 Ultra, right, doesn't really have stronger vibration than the S21 Ultra, but the position of the motor is somewhere here. And of course, this provides for a better feedback and haptics when you use it. Also, the vibration from the S21 Ultra is very harsh, very strong, like a tractor. I have now both phones in my hand vibrating, okay? And if I have to be honest with you guys, this here, the S21 Ultra, has the stronger vibration, alright? But it's concentrated in the upper part of the phone. This here, right, has a bit more subtle idea of the vibration, but it is just exactly at the right place, okay? It comes from here and you can just feel it very, very nicely in your hand. Let's do a typing test. I have here the S22 Ultra, about to search my messages. Okay, if I hit it very hard, guys, you're gonna hear the wobbling effect, so I have to be very, very, very gentle. Okay, you can feel the vibration, but honestly, it's not so hard, not so strong. Let's do this test on the S21 Ultra. Okay, by the way, see here, almost no wobbling, guys, because of this. It's probably the better solution in terms of design, because see here, this phone is wobbly, this phone not at all, but see and listen to the vibration. Okay, the vibration is really strong, and the fact that they decided to use this type of design, the vibration intensity is just being able to travel to other surfaces. Sorry, that's my view. Honestly, this one here seems to be the stronger vibration, right? See here what happens when I just go back. Wow, this feels like a machine gun. Let me hold my S22 Ultra and do the same. Yeah. Honestly, I was even almost not able to notice this. You know, it is very, very subtle. And they have the same level of settings in terms of vibration. Going back to the sound and vibration settings, guys, inside here, vibration intensity, it is absolutely one and the same, alright? But I wanted to show you something different, something else. If we go to notification vibration pattern, alright, on the S21 Ultra you have silent, then you have the Galaxy types of vibrations. Here on the One UI 4.1 S22 Ultra, we have this option, sing with notification sound. And let me just play it for you. Okay, and this changes when you change notification sounds. Let me just try to play the heartbeat again. Here. What? I mean, just look at this. Okay, I tried to do this test in the best way I was able to do so. Honestly, I don't really have a favorite phone. For me, either way it works. I have to confess though, this here is a bit more intensive, more strong, it feels more tough. This one here is a bit more gentle, more subtle, but probably the downside is here, this vibration is weak, okay, but the motor is down below. This vibration is very strong, but the motor is up, and honestly, I would go for something in between. Like probably have stronger vibration than the one into the S22 Ultra, and have also the motor a bit more into the bottom part of the phone, and not like here where the motor is positioned somewhere above the phone. I really hope that these tests are meaningful for you guys. If that's the case, let me know. like the video, share it. Now it's part of the second test in the video, and this is going to be the speaker setup. A lot of you wanted me to test the speakers, so here it is, guys. I'm going to play some tunes, I'm going to record them with this mic, and you'll be able to listen with the result. And while the tunes are playing, okay, I'm gonna move the mic around so I can really capture full sound. Alright, let's start with the first tune. I'm gonna play this one on the S21 Ultra. Okay, the volumes are maxed out on both phones. Let me just play the same tune on the S22 Ultra. Okay, S22 Ultra again. Okay, one more time. Wow. That was really loud on the S21 Ultra. Let me just try to do the same here. Okay, let's just now move the mic again here and do this on the S21 Ultra. Okay, alright, let's try to play another tune. Okay. Alright, now let's play this tune on the S22 Ultra. The speaker from the S21 Ultra is here, guys, so now I'm gonna put the mic close to the speaker and I'm gonna play one hip-hop song.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along.
I can tell you, the S21 Ultra is really loud. Okay, so let me just do the same test on the S22 Ultra where the speaker is on the left side. Okay, let's play the same song.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around, think
I put everything back together, guys, and let me just try to play some other tunes. S21 Ultra.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
Okay, S22 Ultra.
Stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna outcast, I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. Take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's clear, guys. For myself at least, I'm just barely standing on my feet. I'm standing above my tripod to just be able to fully embrace the sound. And yeah, don't ask me why I'm not testing this, because really like the biggest part of the sound comes from the bottom speakers, but the S21 Ultra has the brighter and the fuller sound. I cannot say that it has more bass and etc, but like the sound is brighter and fuller. I'm not even sure how to describe it. This feels a bit more thin. It's not worse, right? I'm not saying it's bad, but the S22 Ultra sound feels a bit thinner compared to the S21 Ultra, and that's a bummer, by the way. So guys, I told you, I promise you that I'm gonna let you know what I think at the end of the video. Well, vibration here, pros, very nice position down below in the phone. Intensity, yeah, not so good. Vibration here, very strong, very nice intensity, but the placement of the motor is not so good because it's in the upper part of the phone. Speaker wise, I have to say it, the S21 Ultra here is the clear winner. It does produce a fuller and brighter sound. So if I have to choose this speaker setup, probably I'll choose this one, guys. I hope that Samsung can try to do something, but I have pumped both phones, you know, to the max settings of the volume setup, and I don't really think that it is a software thing. So hardware wise, this sounds fuller and brighter, and this sounds a bit more thin. Guys, again, if you have liked the video so far, don't forget to really like it and also subscribe to the channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next episodes. With that said, we are still over and bye.